Open the latch that holds the seat base in place on both sides. Using a 13mm socket or wrench, remove the 2 bolts and the bracket from the pivot arm tube on the driver's side and on the passenger side. Remove the entire seat base cushion assembly from the vehicle and place it upside down on a flat surface. Just to note, there will be a small amount of grease on the pivot arm tube. Wipe this off or cover it to prevent it from staining the seat cover. Unzip the seat base cover and place the pivot arms through the 2 holes in the top of the cover. Slide the cover over the base cushion, pulling it tight to the rear of the seat. Reconnect the separator zipper and close the cover. Reinstall the seat base cushion assembly. Replace the 2 bolts and bracket you previously removed from both sides, and ensure to close the latches that hold the seat base in place on both sides. Move the driver and passenger seat belts out of the way. Unzip the 2 zippers on the lower edge of the seat back cover and position the cover with the holes to the rear to accommodate the seat support bar. Slide the cover over the back cushion, passing the cover under the middle seat belt. Once the cover is pulled tight to the bottom of the seat back, reconnect the separator zippers and zip up both sides, and ensure to put both seat belts back in place.